हेलो, दिस इज चेष्टा वर्मा। वेलकम टू सीआरबी इकोनॉमिक्स। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। तो आज की हमारी सैटरडे स्टोरी है, व्हाट डज फ्रीडम कॉस्ट। इमेजिन वेकिंग अप टुमारो एंड बीइंग टोल्ड you are free, but you cannot decide how to use your own resources. You cannot decide what to produce, you cannot decide what to buy, you cannot decide where to work, you cannot decide how your country should develop. Would that really feel like freedom? On 15th August 1947, India achieved political independence. But independence was not simply about removing foreign rule. India also inherited an economy facing poverty, unemployment, low industrialization, poor infrastructure, and widespread illiteracy. And that brings us to an important economics question. What is the real meaning of economic freedom? Economic freedom means having opportunities and choices, the freedom to work, earn, consume, invest, create businesses, and participate in economic decisions. After independence, India had to make another important choice. What kind of economy do we want to build? This led economic planning. The development of industries, expansion of agriculture, investment in infrastructure, and efforts to reduce poverty and inequality. Later in 1991, India introduced LPG, reforms, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, opening the economy to the great competition and global opportunities. So, independence is not just a chapter in history, it is also an economic journey. Political freedom gave India the right to choose its destiny. Economic development gave India the ability to build that destiny. And perhaps the most important lesson is a truly independent nation is not merely one that governs itself, but one that creates opportunities for its people to live with dignity and choices. And happy Independence Day. Thank